kind of a very interesting space because now we're finding ourselves with, on one side, what used to be just influencers, young people trying a new style. We're playing with all those people that do all this unpacking, playing with gadgets, testing new gadgets. And you're telling us that now all this user generated content that used to be a bit of, oh my God, these people are just touching my products and saying whatever they want and doing whatever they want with it, you're making that an asset for the brand because we
Exactly. You
can
nailed it.
analyze that and we can use it. But how do we use it? And now we get into this question about licensing. So I'm an influencer. Hey, this is my new. uh, but now you want your Logitech and you want to use my mouse video. How
Yeah.
you're
So so
able also
so
to solve for that?
yeah, if you look at the evolution of video and video content, it started with branded video, like all companies made their own content. Then it moved to
Yes.
influencer video, right? So if you look at influencers, I'll just mention different influencers. There's Kim Kardashian in the fashion beauty category, right? Now, she is good for brand awareness. Like everyone knows, has heard of Kim Kardashian. But you won't buy a product because of Kim Kardashian alone. You're going to buy the product because your neighbor, right? I mean, I'll just give you a better example. Like you're buying a car, right? Let's say you're buying the new Volt, the Polestar from Google or the Google backed company. And when you're buying that car, the most important thing for EV is, hey, is it going to, can it do 600 miles on a charge? Right? Now,
Oh,
Kim
yeah.
Kardashian, you're not going to trust her giving an ad saying, "Oh yeah, it worked." Well, she has a driver. She sure doesn't even care about 600 miles, right? But if your neighbor who has a Polestar literally next door said, "Hey, you know what, Melvin? This really works." So the trust, brand awareness comes from influencers, but the trust comes from UGC, user generated content. Trust comes from everyday user. Trust comes from average Joe or Gene who is making a video and telling you and giving their opinion. So in my opinion, in my world of viral, every person who is shopped is a creator. Every person who is shopped is an influencer. And the challenge for brands is how do we capture video from every single person that's ever purchased a product? Because that's really
Yeah.
where they can get insights. That's where they can create a pipeline of content for promotion for their social media, for their site, and that's where they can constantly capture video reviews. So what Viral does is we have a mechanism on our platform with QR codes and emails. So you can send a QR code or an email link or a link to inviting your creator to make a video. It could be a contest. Halloween is coming up, so makeup contest. So L'Oreal can now run a makeup contest with their makeup, saying, "Hey, show a L'Oreal product in the video and show us what you did with it for Halloween for makeup."
Wow.
Right? And now what happens is in the contest, the customer scans the QR code or clicks on the link on their phone. It opens an experience where L'Oreal gives them explains the contest rules. It tells them what are the three things they need to answer in the video. So it make it very intentional and purposeful. And then they give them contest rules where they accept the licensing, where the person who's entering the contest accepts the licensing terms, and they make a video. They upload the video, and in the process, L'Oreal then analyzes the video and might be rewarding the customer for making that video as well, right? So that's an example of a contest, or you could have after you make a purchase. So, for example, Viral has now partnered with TikTok Shop to power video syndicate video reviews.
Yes.
And so for TikTok, the most important thing was content moderation. They wanted to make sure that every video that's
Yeah.
passed from Viral to TikTok Shop or captured is moderated and making sure it doesn't mention the word Amazon or doesn't have nudity in the video and so on, right? So coming back, right? So you can after you make a purchase, we can send you a QR code inviting you to make a review or and more, right? And this has many use cases. It can be product feedback. It can be important feedback for other customers, other shoppers. It could be a customer support feedback saying, "Hey, this package didn't arrive." I mean, what better
Yes.
than actually if the box is broken, what better or product is broken, what better than to show a video in the video hey, this is what arrived when it came from via shipping,
Yeah.
right? Things happen with fragile stuff. Sometimes I've had a glass has broken or something, right? But anyway, the point being is that it has so much utility. Video has so much utility with what you can do with it, and literally and the good news is most customers make short videos now. No one wants to talk for 30 minutes in a video. They just want to talk for 3 minutes, give whatever they want to say. So we enable all of this programmatically at scale. So we can literally capture 1 million reviews or 1 million videos UDC from customers with licensing rights within like a day.
Wow.